with stickers.
With stickers.
And coloring.
Coloring too. But only with the white one. Like only with the micro crayon. Put in this one. And so.
And then you let it dry.
Yeah.
You leave it there for 3 minutes.
Yeah.
And this one is probably already done.
Yep.
Maybe you can take it out.
Already read that, so let's get paper. Let's do this one.
You could take this one out already. The purple one.
Done. Go to stickers.
And then you remove the stickers.
Like this. Look.
You remove the stickers carefully. And then it shows the shape that you want.
Shows a heart too. Nice. This. And then leave it like this. Comes out.
So this is how the egg comes out. You can fill it up with all the stickers that you want, and it comes out like that.
Yeah, like this.
And you can use a marker,
Spell your name.
and spell your name, and then you add it in the food coloring.
Or you could just do this.
Or you
Put
could
it-
just put it green, do it coloring green.
Or you could do like designs on it too.
Yes. So we have this one that is already getting colored.
Yep. And it's a blue. We have to do a dye only. I think the sticker just fell out. This one.
Okay, so Kylie's gonna show you again how to do it again.
Yep, yep, yep.
How do you do it again, Kylie?
Okay, you just put stickers and you put designs.
Okay, you're gonna show the sticker one?
Not the designs.
The sticker.
Okay. I think not square. One square. Two squares. Three squares. And four squares, I think. Two squares. Now I'm gonna do thumbs up. And give us a like, subscribe, and thumbs up. Look. Thumbs up sticker. Thumbs up sticker.
And then you leave it in there for as long as you like the color.
Or just take it out when it's done. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Oh.
And then this one is already getting the color.
Yep.
Supposed to be getting blue color
Yep. And this thing's already
with
there.
polka dots.
Yep. I think it's cheap. This one.
So Kylie is baking the eggs.
Yeah, because look at
The
us turn
stickers?
out. Ooh. What?
And then they're gonna come out like this one with the stars.
And you can put
And
name
you can also put a name on the egg.
like
And then
this.
it will come out like this.
So this is how you do eggs.
So like and subscribe.
To our channel. Go.
Like and subscribe to our channel.
And give us a big thumbs up.
Okay, so try to put this one in the purple so you can show. You're gonna keep on putting, yeah, put all the stickers that you like. You fill it up with all the stickers.
Whatever stickers you want.
Like whatever design you want to put. And then it will come out like this one here. Or like this one here. With the hearts. Like this. This one has stars.
So like, subscribe, and the button.
And this one is almost ready. We just wanted to get more color.
Yep. This one's turning like teal color.
This one is turning like bluish.
No, teal.
Yeah.
Teal. Then put stickers. Now I'm gonna put stickers in the bottom. Give me more stickers.
And while you put the stickers, you can be putting the
Cool.
X in color. While the stickers get the color
Or
gets,
you could use.
while the X get the color. So you can have
Or you
polka
can use
dots.
painted.
Or you can use painted and glitter too.
Yep. We're just gonna.
For next video, we're gonna do glitter X on a tree.
Yeah.
So keep on watching our videos and subscribe so you
to our
can
channel.
See the next video.
Subscribe and give us like, subscribe.
And thanks for watching Kylie's show. Okay, so you're gonna still put more stickers?
Yeah.
And that one, show them how this one comes out. You gotta show how this one comes out. We gotta see how this one comes out first.
That's subscribe. That's subscribe.
Okay, so I think this one is done.
Yeah. Hearts. Now I'm gonna do a half. I think I'm gonna put squares, some squares. Because I haven't put whiskers. I put this
Okay,
too.
so we already took it out. We already took it out of the water. And then, when you're done taking it out of the water, you just let it dry a little. And then you can remove all the stickers.
Yeah, like this. And it's ledger.
You can dry with a paper towel, like Kylie's doing, carefully, so you don't break the egg.
And then we will
And then we remove the stickers carefully.
like this. Look.
And then you can see all the polka dots and the egg.
Yep, like this. There's a lot of polka
So,
dots.
this is a nice egg with polka dots.
Yep, or you could color polka dots.
Or you can color the polka dots with the crayon.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put this egg that Kylie made here.
No, I still want to put stickers, silly.
It's fine. It has enough.
Yeah, I think.
And then we're gonna put it in
I want to
the
put it, I want to put it.
in the
Oh,
wire.
those are a lot of polka dots.
So this one came out like this.
Yep.
It has polka dots.
Yep.
There we go.
I think I'm going to dip it in.
And a heart.
I think I'm going to dip it.
Let's put it here with the other eggs.
I'm going to put it here.
Oh, she's gonna put it in the red.
Yeah, because the red looks nicer color.
Okay, so you gotta leave it in there for a little bit. Let it get the colors.
So look.
And then Kylie's gonna take all the stickers to see how it comes out.
Oh, that was very fast too.
It's turning red fast. And this is how it come out.
Like these ones.
Like this ones. The polka dots. And the stars. You can always
Or
put
you could just
shape, all
color
the
it.
shapes that you like.
Or you could just color when it's just white.
Yeah. Or
And
you
you
could
know,
just-
yeah.
yeah, write a name.
Or just write a name, whatever name you want, and just put nothing and leave it like this.
Or you could just make it green or red. You
Whatever
can
color
do
you want.
anything you want.
Whatever color you want. This is done. This is done.
Okay, you can take it out.
But I made paper towel. Ah, this thing's sticking on me.
Oh, the camera fell out.
Sorry, guys.
So here's the paper towel. So she's gonna take it out.
Like this, softly. Do it like this dry. And then I took it out carefully and put it down. What happens? So sad.
And then you're gonna take out all the stickers.
Look
remove,
at turns out.
Then remove all the stickers.
Oh, this one already to come out. Now square.
There's a thumbs up sticker. Let's see how that one comes out. The thumbs up sticker. Oh, look, show the camera how that one came out.
It's more thumbs up here. Alright, thumbs up. Another thumbs up. Complete thumbs up. And subscribe our channel.
And like and subscribe to Kylie's show. And this is how you make Easter eggs
Eggs.
for Easter.
Easter Day. Also, Easter Day is coming up.
So Easter Day is coming up.
Yeah, Easter is my
So that's
favorite.
why- Look, and we have little peeps here.
Yeah.
Peeps.
Yeah. Also came with the peeps too. This was a plushie.
Okay, so how is the egg coming out?
A star, star, star.
Oh, show a star. How it came out.
Another one.
A star.
Look at it put at the bottom.
What do you put in the bottom?
It's like a mermaid tail.
Like a mermaid tail?
Yeah. Look.
Okay, so Sean, what you got?
It's almost done. So
Okay.
some stickers are sticking on my nails.
So this is how it comes out.
Yeah. Just got more stickers. I put heart too. It's done.
This one came out with the polka dot.
Yep.
And a heart shape. And a heart shape. Everybody can see it. And then this is how Kylie's came out. Kylie.
And this
The
is
one
how
that she
the
did
video
with the
comes
thumbs up?
out.
This is the one with the hearts.
Yep.
And this is how you make
Easter eggs.
Easter eggs. So,
Bye.
bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. This is like subscribe button.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Bye, guys. So